Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Sana from Indian Express here.
Hi, Sana.
The footage completely left a lump in our throat and the twist was really unexpected. But Diya and Mohit, both of you, while it must have been really difficult to get into this compelling characters, how difficult was it to come out from it while shooting when you guys took it off? I mean, how difficult was it coming out from the roles?
This is such a good question. I don't think I've come out of it yet. It'll take some time. I can just share with you that there were so many scenes that even after the camera would stop rolling, we would still be in. And this beautiful girl here would come and just hold me and give me love, and we would cry together. I don't know if I'd be able to have done that with a man. There were also times when Mohit would look at me and said, "Mat khus yaar itna, nikal nahi payegi." I'd be like, I don't have a choice. Ye bas खींच लेता है अंदर. When I heard the script, the only thing I was very conscious of and I worked very hard on was to become Kenaz. I didn't want to act. And the material doesn't allow you the room to perform. It just makes you feel. And that is the power of Bhavani's writing.
And the second question is to... Yeah, Mohit, please go ahead.
No, I would like to give the credit to Sonam because as actors, we are always very selfish and greedy. तो मैं हमेशा से सोचता था कि okay, to a certain extent only I will go into the scene and perform. But Sonam never accepted that. She made sure कि हम लोग हर character के हर scene के depth में जाके perform करें. And I had ample time to come out of it, so I'm out of it. But yes, it was a beautiful journey and it has just made us think more about humanity.
Yeah, Bhavani, my second question is to you. Since we all know Kafir means unbeliever, how did you come zero upon a title like this for this show?
Very good questions you're asking. I'm loving it.
The definition of kafir as a word is a non-believer. A non-believer in the traditional, epochs of what deity is or God is, or a person who's a kafir is a non-believer as such. I wanted to slightly subvert the meaning of kafir from being a non-believer of religion to a non-believer, to a believer of humanity, to a believer of a higher echelon of love towards people, which is sans boundaries, which is without any demarcation between each other. So to me, both Kenaz and Vedant in the story are kafirs. They are non-believers of religion, but they are believers of something far more supreme. So it seemed like the only natural title that I could call it.